I'm going to show you how to buy multiple items from one eBay seller. So to get started, make sure you are logged into your eBay account and find the item you want to purchase from the seller. Once you are on the item page, take note of the seller's username. Now scroll down on the item page and you will see seller information on the right side. Click on the seller username to go to their profile. Here you will find a list of items from the same seller. Browse to the item you want to buy and click Add to Cart for each one. This way you can add multiple items from the same seller to your cart. Once you have added everything you want, go to your shopping cart. Ensure that all the items you want are listed. You can review and adjust quantities if you need. Now click on Go to Checkout, confirm your shipping address and payment details, and then complete the purchase.